In this video, we're going to show you how to install Datapacks in Minecraft Java. All right, so you need to open Minecraft, of course, and what you want to do is go to single player and then click on create new world. And here you're going to have three tabs. You have game, world, and more. So click on more. And as you can see on more, you're going to have three options: game rules, experiments, and data packs. Of course, click data packs. And here you're going to be able to drag and drop files into the window to add packs. So as you can see, we have selected the default data pack for Minecraft. This is the built-in, or we could use the bundle enables experimental bundle item. So to add a new data pack, you just need to click open pack folder like this. All right, and as you can see here, it is empty. So where do you get data packs? Just open your browser and go to Google and just type Minecraft data pack, right? And the first option that pops out, which is planetminecraft.com, is pretty much where you want to go because this website has been around for a long time. So just choose a data pack you want, and you can just, for example, click this and then download data pack, right? And after that, after you've downloaded that, you just again open the pack folder and you just paste it here, and it should appear here. It should appear here, and you can just click on it. There's a play sign, so it's going to be like that, or bring it back. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.